Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Izamam from Saimedha Ecet Coaching Center Koti, Hyderabad. Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad is providing a golden opportunity to all the Ecet 2024 and as well as Ecet 2025 students. ఎవరైతే ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ లో ఉన్నారో, ఎవరైతే థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ లో ఇప్పుడు చదువుతున్నారో, Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad is providing the online coaching and as well as offline coaching for it. Ranks గురించి చెప్పాలంటే Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad లో every single time, every single year we have proven that maximum ranks in all the branches ECE, EEE, mechanical, civil and computer science లో top 5 branches లో state first rank తో పాటు maximum ranks in top 10 and top 50 లో కూడా maximum ranks are there. In this video lecture series in the YouTube, we are going to be updating every single day for all the branches subject wise and as well as topic wise. Previous Ecet examination questions will be explained by expert faculties. My dear students, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఓన్లీ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కొరకే సపరేట్ కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, పే చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది బయట మార్కెట్లో. కానీ Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad లో ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్ we are providing that series guys in this very YouTube channel. So those who have not subscribed the channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates. Every day subject wise, topic wise, previous Ecet examination questions with which you can understand the level of teaching, the expertise which is there in the Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Start watching all the video series in this YouTube channel. At the end of the video, I'll be coming back to give you a surprise for all the Ecet 2024 and Ecet 2025 aspirants. So share this video as much as possible for all the final year students and third semester students. Now let's start the video.
Students, next question. This is AP Ecet 2020 question number 31. In TE10 mode of wave propagation in a rectangular waveguide, if the broader dimension of the waveguide is 4 cm, then the cutoff wavelength for that mode is. This is the question. See here, the type of the waveguide is given as here TE10. What is the mode is given? TE10. So from this mode we can find m value as well as n value. What is m value here? 1 and n value is here 0. M equal to 1, n equal to 0. If the broader dimension of the waveguide is 4 cm, so this is a rectangular waveguide. I am considering this is a rectangle, this is a rectangular waveguide, and here the dimension, this is A, this is what? B. So broader dimension is what? A, narrow dimension is B. A value given as 4 cm indirectly is mentioning broader dimension means A is greater than B. Then is asking cutoff wavelength. What is asking? Cutoff wavelength, that is lambda c. So what is cutoff wavelength means? It is the wavelength of the waveguide at which below wave can propagate through waveguide. Already we discussed cutoff frequency. Now this is cutoff wavelength, inversely proportional. So from this, what is cutoff wavelength mode formula means 2 by under root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. Under root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. Here m value 1, n value 0, so square root will be cancelled. Therefore for TE10 mode, cutoff wavelength formula 2a. I am writing A value is 4 cm, so that equals to 8 cm is the answer. So in that 4 options, option 1 is correct. What is the answer here? Option 1 is correct. And what is the value here? 8 cm is. So m value is given, n value is given, a value is given. Then is asking cutoff wavelength. You remember this formula, cutoff wavelength lambda c equals to formula 2 by under root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. So m value, n value, according to that you will change formula, then is only 10 mode is there, that is 2a. If it is 01 mode, that is 2b, but here TE10, hence the answer is 8 cm. Question number 32. The lowest mode of TM wave propagation is. TM10 mode, TM01 mode, TM11 mode, TM12 mode. Here lowest mode means what? Means dominant mode of TM is asking. So already I explained the meaning of dominant mode. What is the meaning of dominant mode? Means this is N. Dominant mode means it is the mode of the waveguide which gives minimum cutoff frequency. So in electric field, with respect to electric field TE mode, the dominant modes are TE10 or TE01 with respect to TE mode. And very important point here I am explaining, whereas in transverse magnetic TM mode, remember TM01, TM10 does not exist. TM10, TM01 does not exist. And which mode will be existing in transverse magnetic mode means from TM11 only existing. Which mode will be existing? TM11 mode only existing. That all topics we discussed in previous videos. So here the lowest mode in a transverse magnetic mode means the correct answer is option 3. What is the answer here? Answer is option 3. So TM11 is a dominant mode, whereas in a TE mode the dominant modes are TE10 and TE01. Next question, similarly 33. This is TS Ecet 2021 question. An air-filled rectangular waveguide of inside dimensions 5 cm by 2.5 cm. See here, rectangular waveguide is given. This is rectangular waveguide. And here this is A equal to 5 cm. A is given as 5 cm. And here B is 2.5 cm. What is the B value is given as 2.5 cm. See here, A value 5 cm, B value 2.5 cm. Is at the dominant mode. This waveguide is operating at a dominant mode, means indirectly default you consider the type of mode is what? T10. If it is T10 means what is the M value here? 1 and N value here 0. M value 1, N value 0. And remember the frequency, the operating frequency is given as 5 gigahertz. The operating frequency is given as 5 gigahertz. F equal to what? 5 gigahertz. Operating frequency is given as M value is 1, N value 0, A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then what is asking? See here, find the guided wavelength. Is asking guided wavelength. See here, guided wavelength formula I am writing here, lambda G equals to lambda naught by under root of 1 minus lambda naught by lambda C whole square. This is guided wavelength formula. Lambda G equals to lambda naught by 1 minus lambda naught by lambda C whole square. So here frequency given, A value, B values, dimensions of the waveguide is given, dominant mode mentioned, but directly there is no wavelength values. Lambda naught value is not mentioned, lambda C value is also not mentioned. So first I am calculating lambda naught. Here lambda naught equal to I am writing C by F. Lambda naught equal to C by F, operating wavelength. Here I am writing C value in centimeter per second. In centimeter per second means 3 into 10 power 10, and frequency value I am writing 5 gigahertz. Giga means how much? 10 power 9. Giga means 10 power 9. So 3 into 10 power 10 divided by 5 into 10 power 9. What happens here? That equals to, I am writing here 10 power 9, 10 power 9 cancel, 10 will be remaining. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, that equal to 6 centimeter. See here. Lambda naught equal to C by F. C value I am writing in centimeter per second, 3 into 10 power 10 centimeter per second. Operating frequency is given as 5 gigahertz. Giga means 10 power 9. Then 3 into 10 power 10 divided by 5 into 10 power 9. 10 power 9 in numerator, denominator cancel. Remaining is 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6. That is lambda naught. Now I am considering this lambda naught equation 1. Now I want one more term, that is lambda c. Cutoff wavelength formula for TE10 mode 2A. 2A, A value how much? 5 centimeter, 2 into 5, that equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, see here. So cutoff wavelength is 10 centimeter and operating wavelength is 6 centimeter. Then see here, lambda g I am calculating, lambda naught how much? 6 divided by, so from this I am calculating lambda naught by lambda c also. Lambda naught by lambda c means how much? 6 by 10, that equal to 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. So 6 by under root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. See here. 6 by under root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square. Now I am simplifying. That equals to 6 by under root of 5 square 25 minus 3 square 9 divided by 25. Now root 25 become as 5, I am writing in numerator 5, root 25 minus 9, that is root 16, root 16 I am writing as 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15 divided by 2. So 15 by 2 means how much? 7.5 centimeters. Here all values I consider in centimeter. So what is guided wavelength is here? 7.5 centimeter. But all answers are given in meters. Now I am converting this into meters. Then lambda g equals to 0.075 meters. 0.075 meters. Hence option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. What is the answer here? Option 1. Answer is option 1 is the correct answer. This is a big problem, but is given in Ecet exam 2021 Telangana Ecet. So just see here, he asked guided wavelength. Guided wavelength equals to lambda g equals to lambda naught by under root of 1 minus lambda naught by lambda c whole square. First I calculated lambda naught c by f. Operating frequency is given as 5 gigahertz. Then operating wavelength is 6 centimeter. Then after that I calculated cutoff wavelength 2A, A value is given as 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. By using lambda naught operating wavelength, lambda c cutoff wavelength, now we calculated guided wavelength. What is lambda g answer? 7.5 centimeter. Here in options is given in meters, hence the correct answer is 0.075 meters. Now see here, question number 34, AP Ecet 2022. Dash is defined as the rate which the wave propagates through waveguide. Here we discussed 3 types of velocities: phase velocity, group velocity, wave velocity, guide velocity. So it is the rate which the wave propagates through the waveguide. So I explained lambda g is here. What is lambda g? Means guided wavelength. What is lambda g? Guided wavelength. Guided wavelength. Here guided wavelength means what? It is the wavelength in the waveguide. It is the wavelength in the waveguide along the direction of propagation. Similarly, phase velocity group velocity. Group velocity. Now is asking wave velocity, guide velocity. So out of these four is asking the rate, means generally velocity equal to distance by time. So the rate which the wave propagates through the waveguide. So the correct answer is here guide velocity. What is the answer here? Guide velocity. Answer 3 is the correct answer. What is the answer? Guided velocity is the answer. Next question. Question number 35. Telangana Ecet 2022. The formula for the cutoff wavelength in a standard rectangular waveguide with 2:1 aspect ratio for the TM11 mode. First, what is asking? Cutoff wavelength is asking. So cutoff wavelength, I am writing formula lambda c equals to, what is the formula? 2 by under root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. 2 by under root of m by a whole square plus n by b whole square. Cutoff wavelength formula. And is given aspect ratio. Here is given aspect ratio. I am writing here aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means here a by b. Aspect ratio means what? A by b. What are a and b? The dimensions of rectangular waveguide. And remember, this is very important. The figure of merit of waveguide is aspect ratio. What is aspect ratio? A by b. What are A and B? The dimensions of the rectangular waveguide. A is a broader dimension, B is narrow dimension. And is given one more question data, the type of mode. Type of mode is given as TM11. TM11 means what? M value 1 and N value 1. So this is the data given. M value is given as 1, N value is given as 1. And aspect ratio is also given. Aspect ratio is given as A by B equal to 2 by 1. See here. So is asking cutoff wavelength. Now I am doing problem here. Lambda c equals to 2 by under root of m value 1 by A whole square plus n value is also 1 by B whole square. Just I substituted m value as well as n value. From this, lambda c equals to 2ab root square cancel under root of a square plus b square. This is the formula actually. 2ab by under root of a square plus b square. But is given one condition, a by b equal to 2 by 1. That means two options here, A equal to 2B, A equal to 2B or B equal to A by 2. We will check. A equal to 2B, B equal to A by 2. If I write, consider B equal to A by 2, B equal to A by 2, the answer in terms of A. If I write A equal to B by 2, A equal to 2B, 2B square, see 2 into 2, 4B square. Here also A equal to B. So what happens? See, I am checking here. First I am writing this value, A equal to 2B. Lambda c equals to, what is the A value here? 2B. 2B into B, 2B square into 2, 4B square. Numerator is what happens? 4B square. Because A value 2B. 2B into B, 2B square into 2, 4B square divided by A square. That is what? 4B square plus B square. That is what? 5B square. So 4B square divided by root 5B. So BB cancel, 4 by root 5B. No option. So this is also wrong. Now I am checking one more, B equal to A by 2. B equal to A by 2. Then lambda c equal to 2A. What is B value? A by 2 divided by under root of A square plus what is B value here? A by 2 whole square. What is B value? A by 2. B square means what? A by 2 whole square. So here 2 will be cancelled, A into A become as A square divided by 2 square 4A square plus A square 5A square by 4. 5A square by 4. Now 4 is in root. So root 4 is how much? 2. Lambda C equal to, I am writing 2A square divided by root 5A square. That equal to how much? 2A square by root 5 into A. Root 5 into A. A will be cancelled. So finally, what is the answer here? 2A by root 5. Yes, this is options. In option 3, 2A by root 5 is in option 3. So here correct answer is option 3. What is the answer here? Option 3 is the answer. See here, 2A by root 5. So first remember cutoff wavelength formula, and what is the data given? Aspect ratio is given. Aspect ratio means, remember the bit figure of merit of waveguide is what? Aspect ratio. And the type of the mode is also given, TM11. Then I substituted M equal to 1, N equal to 1, A by B equal to 2 by 1. Then cutoff wavelength for TM11 mode is 2A by root 5. This is also correct, 4B by root 5, but in options it is not there, because that is cutoff wavelength value in terms of B. This is cutoff wavelength value in terms of A. Here all options except 4, 2, that is also wrong. Options are given in terms of A, and correct answer is in terms of A, that is 2A by root 5. Option 3 is correct.
So my dear students, for Ecet 2024 and Ecet 2025, Saimedha Koti Hyderabad is providing maximum concessions in this very week. Offline students gavachu, online students gavachu, online plus offline students gavachu, morning batches, evening batches, day batches, full day batches, online courses with materials gurinchi Saimedha Koti Hyderabad in this very week, guys. In this very week only we are providing the maximum concessions. A concessions evaithe unnayo, concessions ఏ విధంగా ఉంటది, batches ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయి, with materials, without material, online coaching, total మీకు ఏ డౌట్ ఉన్నా సరే ఆ కన్సెషన్స్ మాక్సిమం ఏమున్నాయి అంటే మనకు మొబైల్ నంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ స్క్రోలింగ్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో స్క్రోలింగ్ అవుతున్న మొబైల్ నంబర్స్ కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి అండ్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ద Saimedha Koti Hyderabad as soon as possible. Don't miss this opportunity of getting the maximum concessions, guys. Thank you very much. In this video series, every single day we are going to be updating subject wise, topic wise, previous Ecet examination questions. I wish you all the best. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off.